Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the best solutions for rust removal on the market, the Evapo-Rust, the original heavy-duty Pail rust remover. Designed by CRC Industries, this 3.5-gallon pail of rust remover is a game-changer for anyone dealing with rusted metal surfaces. What sets it apart? Well, let's find out. First off, it's water-based, making it both environmentally safe and incredibly easy to use. No scrubbing or sanding required, just dip your rusted items in and watch the magic happen. Plus, it comes with a handy dip basket, perfect for smaller items like tools, bolts, and nuts. Ideal for hobbyists, mechanics, or anyone restoring antiques. Now, what about safety? This product is non-toxic, biodegradable, and non-corrosive. That means it's safe on your skin and eyes, emits no fumes, and contains no harsh acids, bases, solvents, or VOCs. Perfect if you're working in a garage or workshop environment. It's not just for rusted metals either. You can use it on cast iron cookware, grill grates, auto parts, and even delicate items like sewing machines or antiques without worrying about damage. Curious about the science behind it? Evapo-Rust works through a unique chelation process, where it bonds with iron oxide molecules and breaks them down into a soluble form. This means no damage to the underlying metal surface. To use, simply submerge your rusty item in the solution for a few hours, and voila! You'll be amazed at how clean and rust-free your items emerge. Now, compared to traditional rust removers or converters, Evapo-Rust stands out for its effectiveness without the need for harsh chemicals or extensive protective gear. Wrapping it up, if you're looking for a safe, effective, and easy-to-use rust remover that delivers results without the hassle, Evapo-Rust, the original heavy-duty Pail rust remover, is definitely worth considering. Check out the link in the description below to grab yours today and say goodbye to rust headaches for good. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews and product insights from Product Critique. See you next time.